Welcome to the Employer Education Series eSERS tutorial on extending payroll schedules. When a payroll schedule is nearing its end date, you should extend that payroll schedule rather than creating a new one. Today, we will cover two ways in which you can extend a schedule. The first option is a system populated extension. This can be used for all types of payroll schedules except the other payroll frequency. The second option is a manual entry extension for the other payroll frequency. Once logged into eSERS, you'll click on the Payroll Schedule Entry application. Click on the Payroll Schedule ID for the schedule that you would like to extend. Today, we are extending biweekly 6. Once in the Payroll Schedule Maintenance screen, you will want to enter in a new payroll schedule end date in the Payroll Schedule Information panel. Today, we are extending our schedule to May 31st, 2025. You cannot extend a payroll schedule beyond 13 months. From there, click Save. Then click Populate. When you click Populate, the Payroll Schedule Details panel reflects all earnings periods and pay dates based on the payroll schedule end date entered in the Payroll Schedule Information panel. From here, you will want to review the pay dates that are populated. This is your opportunity to correct any pay dates that may be incorrect due to a holiday or weekend. Once you have reviewed and verified that all dates are correct, click Save, then Confirm and Submit. Once you click Confirm and Submit and realize that a pay date is incorrect, please contact Employer Services and we will adjust your schedule accordingly. To manually extend an other frequency, click on the Payroll Schedule ID for the schedule that you're trying to extend. Today, we are trying to extend our OTH6 pay schedule. Once in the Payroll Schedule Maintenance screen, you will want to enter in a new payroll schedule end date in the Payroll Schedule Informations panel. Today, we are extending our schedule out to May 31st of 2025. If you're using the frequency for your special pay, as in this example, you'd enter in the period end date here. But if you are using this frequency for your entire payroll schedule, you'd enter in the end of that fiscal year. Once you have entered in your date, click Save. In the Payroll Schedule Details panel, click Add Row, or click Add Row for however many earnings periods you need to enter, or click Add 10 rows. Enter in your period begin date. Today, we are using May 16th, 2024. Please note that if you're using this payroll schedule for a special pay, you cannot use the same date for the period begin date and period end date. Enter in your period end date. Today, we are using May 17th, 2024. Then enter in your pay date. Today, we are using May 17th of 2024. Click Save, then Confirm and Submit. Once you click Confirm and Submit and realize that a pay date is incorrect, please contact Employer Services and we will adjust your schedule accordingly. For any questions on payroll schedules, please contact Employer Services. Thank you for watching.